now, recruiting game has changed, the sales game has changed too. That's my background. I've done B2B sales since really a long time ago, 1979. And we used to cold call, walk in, and be able to get a meeting, have a sales conversation by walking in or by calling. And that's changed. Part of it's from 9/11, the security. Part of it is because buyers have changed. They don't want to just accept a phone call or have somebody come into their office, right? They want to do their own research. Buyers are in charge. So they're going to do their own research before they talk to a consultant, before they hire someone, before they get an attorney, whatever. They're checking them out online. So the statistics say 57% of buying decisions are completed before talking to a sales rep.
Wow.
And actually, when I show the statistic, most of the companies that I talk to say that's too low. They say that's the number I have. But most people, when you think about what you do and the decisions you make, who you hire, who you do business with, are you checking online before you have that sales conversation, right? And if you are, that's what everyone else is doing too. So the pre-sales research.